Welcome back to KantanFood by Satoshi. Did you buy TabiEats Summer Care Package 2023? I hope so. And in this package, there are 6 items. And I think you are wondering, how can you use these 2 items? These 2 are umeboshi pickled plum and Yuzu Kosho. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to use these ingredients. This time, I'm gonna show you Yuzu Kosho. Next video is umeboshi. So follow me. Welcome to our kitchen. So first thing is stir-fried things. This is potato and mushroom. Potato and mushroom stir-fried with Yuzu Kosho. Ingredients are pretty simple. 1 potato, 5 mushrooms, 2 teaspoons of white wine, and 1 teaspoon of worcestershire sauce. And this is Yuzu Kosho. 1 teaspoon of Yuzu Kosho. And for cooking, I'm gonna use this 1 tablespoon of butter. So this is a Yuzu Kosho package. Yuzu Kosho is made with chili pepper, yuzu, citrus, and salt. It's a multi-purpose condiment we always use for nabe, but it's not only for nabe. It's good for various cooking. First, I'm gonna cut potato. This time, I don't want to take time, so I will slice this potato like this. I'm gonna be using skin too. From here, the half size is better. Too big is not easy to eat. And this one is already washed. Very simple cooking. Love it. Next, slice mushrooms. You can use brown one or white one either. This. Oh, I said slice, but don't. I cut into quarter. Don't worry, no fuss, no muss. If you like slice one, please slice it. Yeah, potato is sliced, so maybe slice is better, but I don't care. And before cooking, I'm gonna be making sauce using Yuzu Kosho. Combine 2 teaspoons of white wine, Worcestershire sauce, and Yuzu Kosho in one bowl, and dissolve well. Yuzu Kosho is a little bit difficult to dissolve, so I recommend dissolve in a small amount of liquid, like this. Okay, it becomes very smooth. Smells so nice. I want to drink this, but it's not good for drinking. It is very salty. Set frying pan on your stove and turn on the heat and put 1 tablespoon, about 10 to 12 grams of butter, and melt it. Of course, you don't have to use butter, but I like butter flavor, butter taste, so I'm using butter. I'm gonna stir fry potato first. It's longer than mushroom, so I put potato and stir fry. How do you like cook your potatoes? Stir fry, steam, bake, or simmer? Oh, deep fry. Yes, deep fry. Or mashed potato. What is your best way? I love deep fried potato, French fry. Shinichi loves everything. He is a potato man. The potato becomes translucent, so I put mushrooms inside and stir fry. Combine well. For today's cooking, yes, I am using non-Japanese condiments because I want you to make at home very easily. You don't have to buy any Japanese condiments except Yuzu Kosho. Yuzu Kosho is in your care package. Okay, here, pour sauce all over and combine well. Oh, the aroma, the citrus aroma is really beautiful. beautiful. Yeah, since you love the soy sauce, pour over this potato and mushroom. But today, I'm using Yuzu Kosho. Okay, transfer to your favorite plate. This is extra. I sprinkle some parsley, dried parsley leaves. Your first dish is ready. Second dish is rice dish using seafood. This is a defrosted frozen seafood. It's a shrimp, clam, and squid. I'm using 2 Japanese rice cups of rice with 400 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons of white wine, 2 teaspoons of worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of frozen mixed vegetable. And this is today's main ingredients. This is Yuzu Kosho, 2 teaspoons of Yuzu Kosho. And for cooking, this is butter, 1 tablespoon of butter. Set frying pan on your stove and put butter, turn on heat, set medium heat. Okay, frying pan is heated, so put this seafood inside and saute. I like this butter aroma, and I love seafood. Oh, the clam aroma smell came. It's very beautiful. I love it. Okay, so water has been evaporated completely. So here I put rice, okay, and mixed vegetable, 2 tablespoons of white wine, 2 teaspoons of worcestershire sauce. Today's main dish, main ingredient, Yuzu Kosho. So, I forgot to dissolve before put inside. So, I recommend to dissolve before inside. Dissolve in the white wine, it's easier. Yuzu Kosho is a little bit difficult to dissolve. So, please dissolve before you put. And a small amount of liquid, but it's okay. Rice helped to be smooth. This Yuzu Kosho. Okay. So and mix evenly. Then close the lid and bring to a boil and boiling about 5 minutes. And after that, reduce the heat to low and cook another 10 minutes. After that, stay as it is 5 minutes. So about 20 minutes passed. I cooked like I said. Ta-da-da! How is it? Looks very beautiful. Once mix it. Oh, the bottom part, there's okoge. This okoge is good. Yeah, for mixed rice, okoge is important. Then transfer to a plate. I can smell the Yuzu Kosho. So, my 2 Yuzu Kosho dishes are ready. Stir-fried potato and mushroom with Yuzu Kosho. And this one is a mixed rice with Yuzu Kosho, seafood Yuzu Kosho. First, I'm gonna be eating potato and mushroom. I think it's good. Okay. The yuzu citrus flavor is very good for this mushroom and potato combination. It's not only the flavor of Worcestershire sauce, it has a kick. To tell the truth, this is my first time to cook, but this is perfect. I want to give this one for Shinichi. Yeah, rice, mixed rice with seafood. Do you like seafood rice? Today I used frying pan, but you can use your rice cooker too. Rice cooker is easier, but why I used frying pan today? Because I really want to use the flavor of seafood. It's stay on the frying pan, so I want to use it perfectly. Okay, so いただきます。Seafood, seafood, seafood with slight おこげ。Good seafood flavor with yuzu citrus aroma. It doesn't disturb each other. Yuzu Kosho has a very strong taste, but it doesn't disturb the seafood flavor. Of course, you can adjust the Yuzu Kosho amount at your preference. Please try once or twice and find your favorite amount of Yuzu Kosho. Now you know the Yuzu Kosho is a very good seasoning or condiment. It's a multi-purpose condiment, multi-purpose ingredients. So please use in your cooking, not only these two. So the next video is using umeboshi pickled plum. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.